What's up, everybody? My name's LittleLickNIc, and we're back, and we'll continue to play motherfucking Heavy Rain up in that bitch. Alright, let's start right where we left off, guys. Motherfucking got fucked up last episode. Sheesh. God damn. The Quantum Dreams Productions. God, my umbrella. Oh my god. So depressing.
You are a peasant.
I'm depressed. Somebody call the pharmacist. I'm depressed. Leon. Alcomedens. Alright guys, it's about to get lit in this motherfucking game. Heavy Rain. Look at your face. Ooh. She don't look happy. Ooh, look at that grandma. Should I? I'm old. Executive producer, gallery producer Charles Connor, and producer Scott Johnson, set designer Trinity Film Edited, set manager Christopher Business, animation manager. I need to speak to your manager. Sound manager. Save us, koala. We're gonna send you back, boy. Oh my god. Script manager, Sophie D's nuts in your mouth. What? What the fuck? Ferris wheel. Yeah. Oh shit. Living in a dump. What is it, St. Louis? I can smell the cancer. I can smell. 2 years later. What happened 2 years later, man? What happened? Oh shit. Dude's depressed. Had his pool game is 0 now. He got the local job at Blockbuster. Fuck. What's up, man?
Hi, Sean.
Hi, Sean.
Hi, Dad.
Man, poor Sean, man. Hi, Dad. Man, ain't this about a bitch? Brand new whip with no keys, literally. With a trash bag for a window. Oh, man. I guess we're going to start this car up, boy. And we're off on the adventure. Written and directed by David. Look at that little puppy. Segways are lit. Alright. Long ass loading screen out there. Took a nap on your asses. Whoa. Brand new house, son. Get all the bitches still. Oh, look at this kid, man. Doing the things he needs to do. Watching cartoons. Yeah. I guess we'll watch cartoons, man. Sean? You have to remind your son how to do shit? What is it? Homework? Do that first.
It's still early. We'll see about the homework later.
Let's have a snack or something.
Time for a snack. Maybe Sean is hungry.
Maybe Sean is hungry. I've never seen the talk like this. Alright, let me see. Maybe there is a snack. Get a snack for your boy. Oh, OJ, boy, you always gotta get that shit. Shake that. Shake that motherfucker. Oh, yeah, some things never change. It's lit. It tastes like vitamins. Boy, that tastes good. Yeah, we'll set it down for. Yep. Alright. Well, that solves all the problems. Maybe this dude needs a banana or something. Wow. Atmosphere in this game is pretty cool. Well, fuck that shit. I'm going inside. It's raining. Fuck all that crap. Heavy rain, bro. What do we need to do in here? What we got? Gotta do the laundry. Oh, with your nasty ass. Gotta start doing that. What's this? What we got up in here? Take a shit. I wonder where all the damn snacks are, motherfucker. Let's go. Let me see. Let me see where I can get my son his snacks. It's gotta be in one of these drawers, right? Am I wrong? No snack for your boy. Yo, bro, where the fuck a snack at? Where's he going? Turn that shit off, boy. Nah. We don't have to do that shit. Is there a pantry or some shit? What we got here? Alright, snack 4:30, homework, dinner, to bed. That'd be nice if I knew where the fuck a snack was or some shit. Grace. You know what?
If Sean is hungry, he can find something for himself.
That's right, motherfucker. That's exactly what I'm talking about. That's how we had to grow up, motherfucker.
Sean hasn't done his homework yet.
It's time to do that shit. Time to do that shit real quick. Where did that at? Time for homework.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
Ah, fuck it.
Alright, I'll come back a little later.
Fuck it. Oh.
What do you say we play together for a while?
I'd rather watch TV.
Fuck you, damn asshole. Well, time to go upstairs. Let's see what this boy got going on upstairs, man. And is that flat? Got that. You got two hands. Boy, that's some bullshit. That's some bullshit. You got a phone? What's this? That's what I'm thinking, bro. He can go and get himself some food. Literally, I did not even know that shelf existed. I went and washed my hands. Do I need to take it? Oh, okay. We're gonna wash our hands first, then take a piss, and then go feed my son real quick. Because we're fucking baller, boy. No hands washed. That's how I get all the ladies. What's up in here? We got some. Ooh. Man. Do need to work on something. Whoa. Do need to work on something, bruh. Bumming me the fuck out. There we go. Damn, he's really that depressed and shit. Oh god. It's even worse.
Hey, stop messing around or I'll never be able to film you.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know. Oh, yeah, Jason, tell me what you want to be when you grow up.
Damn, bro.
I don't know.
I don't
Maybe
want to
a
be depressed like
fireman
you, Dad.
Or an astronaut. be a dinosaur hunter. I'll make video games.
And here's the most beautiful mother in the whole wide world.
Yeah, we'll turn that shit off right there.
We do not care. Got him! Got him!
You know what I'm saying? We turn that shit off right there. Belloni sandwich, I ain't gonna take this right now, motherfucker. Aw, bro, that's actually pretty sad. Sorry, bro. It's time to get up. Be productive. Life. What's going on? Let's see. Let's make something for the dude.
Grace has Sean this weekend.
Ah,
Seems like he can't wait to get back to his mother.
what's wrong, bro? Ew.
You've got a cold coming on. I'm gonna see if I can find some medicine for you.
Oh god, here we go. I gotta go figure this shit out. Is there any? Maybe I turn on a light. Then I can see or some shit. Where could I find fucking cold medicine anyways? Through here? Hello? The laundry's done. At least maybe I need to get that done actually. Just gonna look at it? Okay. The fuck that. Maybe cold medicine's upstairs. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe it's upstairs in the bathroom or some shit. That's what I'd put it. Da 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 da. It's gotta be upstairs. What the fuck? Sean, you're fucking hard to fucking control. No, this is his fucking room. There's that. This is his room. What's through here? There's a toilet, so it's gotta be in here. Where's the cold medicine? Where's that at? Yeah! Give me that shit for that boy. Help a brother out. What? Okay, I guess we'll just close that shit. Come on, let's go. Time to get this motherfucker unsick. Needs to eat dinner or some shit after this. Let's go. Can't cold medicine by itself, man. What the fuck? Look at the way. One hot at a time. One hot at a time. Hand on the knee. Hand on the knee. Look at this motherfucker. Okay, you're getting cold, bro. Why can't you turn up the fucking AC up in this motherfucker? Yo, bro.
Here, take this. It'll make you feel better.
Thanks, Dad.
Aw. Alright, bro.
Do you want me to get your dinner?
Oh, yeah. I'm really hungry.
Bitch,
Okay,
you got
I'll
chips
go
right
see what I can
there, but
find.
okay.
I'll call you when it's ready.
Make some fucking frozen meal for your bitch ass. Roasted chicken or pizza? Let's go to roasted chicken. Wait. No. Roasted chicken. Close that shit down. And we're gonna put that shit right in the motherfucking microwave. 300 degrees, son. Ugh. While he does that, you need to do his homework, bro. You need to do that shit. Oh shit, the fuck? That's the fastest time I've ever. Man, that shit must be fucking cold in the motherfucker still. It's done. It's good enough for my son. If there's steam that comes out that bitch, I'm gonna laugh. Oh. So wet. Why are you cutting the plastic? Here, son, here's some slop. Looks like ass. Why did you put that in the damn...
You can come now, Sean. Your meal is ready.
I'm coming.
Let's turn this TV off, bro. No more TV, son. Let's sit the fuck down. When I sit down with our son and eat, what is this? There we go. What the fuck? I'm just looking at him eat. I'm all like, I miss bologna sandwiches now. Son, you like that chicken? Do I just sit here, just say nothing? Yeah, son, you eat that shit. I guess so. What time is it now? Alright, what do I do? I guess I'll just wait until he's done with dinner. Bro, you better eat everything that's on that plate, motherfucker. What are you doing? Man, you bet. What the fuck? Oh, to smack your ass, motherfucker. Why you do this shit to me, bro? It's time for homework, Holmes. And he goes back. I guess that's the life of this kid, bro. Motherfucking son of a bitch. Bed 8:30. Fuck homework. Fuck homework. It's about to be done. Yo, son. Bed, school.
How are things at school? Is your teacher nice?
Everything's fine, Dad.
Damn. Discuss. What's discuss?
So, do you want to talk a little?
Talk about what?
I
Damn.
don't know, about you, your friends, how things are going.
Nothing special.
Alright, son, you just go to bed.
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
Oh, but I never go to bed this early.
Fuck it. Nah, let's go to
No,
bed.
you're going to bed now. It won't do you any harm to go to bed early for
You're
once.
mean. You just want me to get out of the way so you can have some peace. I hate you.
God damn, motherfucker. Shit. This is what I get? Oh. 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 Damn, bro. I didn't mean to be like that. Shit. Man, you didn't even clean up after yourself, man. Asshole. Look. No, bro. Come back here, man. You can't be talking to me like that. It was almost like 7, man.
I might have been a little bit hard on Sean.
Oh, shit. What am I doing? Sean, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. Don't be like that, bro. Come on, Sean. Be friends. I'll even fucking turn out the damn curtains for you, bitch ass. What does it say? Bro, what the fuck? Of course they gotta have children's drawings and shit. Man, I give it a 8.5. Come on, bro.
Leave me alone.
Dang.
I hate you.
What the fuck, bro? Alright. Be a fucking dick. Shit. Try with your bitch ass. What the fuck? Oh no! I shouldn't have ate the pudding! No! Ricin? Motherfucker, what? Dude, what the fuck? The nuts! Oh shit! Motherfucker, goddamn, passed the fuck out. Oh shit. Oh. So intense. It's unreal. I am the Origami Killer. I'm the Origami Killer. I am the Oregano Killer. Oh shit, bro. Count back on the north. Damn. The fuck? What the hell? Who this big motherfucker head ass dude? Who this head ass dude? Let's go, I guess. Yeah. Tuesday. Goddamn it, go, bitch. Time to get all these bitches out here, man. Scott Shelby. Yeah. Scott Shelby. Get all the bitches. Let's go, done. Time to wrestle with these motherfuckers. Oh shit. Time to go back. No, I'm joking. Hey, let's go. Oh wait, what's that?
Guess I better take the stairs.
Yeah, well, I guess you do. I'm gonna take these stairs, motherfucker. Scott Shelby. What's up, son? Scott Shelby for life. Alright. Let's go. Bam. Hello? You better open the damn door.
Sorry, I only see clients by appointment.
Oh shit.
Wait,
Ooh, what's up, girl? What you want?
It's $50. I don't
$50?
kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
fine by me.
What? Scott Shelby, he trying so hard right now, bro. Y'all like, yeah, time to give me some action up in this bitch. But wait too damn long.
Put your money on the table. You got exactly 10 minutes when the alarm rings. It's over, okay?
Damn. $50 bill, y'all. Bro.
You should take your clothes off. We ain't got all day.
Actually, I'm not a customer.
What the fuck?
Shit, a cop.
You're not a customer.
I should have known. What you want, a freebie? Is that it?
That's nasty, bro.
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. The families of the victims of the Origami Killer asked me to investigate the murders. I came here just to ask you some questions about Johnny.
I already told the police all I know and I have nothing to add. Leave me alone.
You better compromise.
I
with
understand,
this
Laura.
bitch.
I know what you're going through.
Oh, yeah? You know what it feels like to find your own son's body on a wasteland? I'm sorry, I don't have the slightest idea what I'm going through, Mr. Shelby.
Actually? Confident.
The killer is walking around free as we speak. He'll kill again if he's not arrested.
My Johnny's dead, so what difference does it make?
By trick.
I bought 10 minutes of your time, didn't I?
Damn.
All I ask is that you use that time to answer some questions.
You want to pay me to tell you about my son? Is that it?
Damn, bro.
You can buy my body, Mr. Shelby, but my son is not for sale. Get out of here. Get the fuck out!
Bitch, I oughta smack your ass. God damn. Why she gotta be like that, man? Just trying to get it. I'm trying to get some. Damn.
Well, if you remember anything, the smallest detail, give me a call.
Is that $100 bill? Scott Shelby, he get the ladies. Yeah, look at him, bro. He get all the bitches. He get all the bitches, man. Alright, I guess that's enough we can do today.
What the fuck? Did that nigga just eat a booty flake?
Motherfucker. I can't breathe. Too much ganja. Oh shit. Oh shit. I be getting this shit right. God damn. That was lit.
Lauren, open up, baby. It's me.
What are you doing?
Oh shit.
I already told you I don't want to see you anymore.
Sorry, Dal, but I really wanted to see ya.
Oh fuck. Well guys, I'm gonna end it off here real quick before it reaches a certain amount of time, you know. But so far, you know, the Origami Killers out there, you know what I'm saying? This motherfucker coming in, Scott Shelby get the bitches, and, you know, our son hates us. That's all we know. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I'm out of here, bitches.